here it is. Exquisite Case 17, box number 3. With the final box, free BGS going to one of the big 5. We just hit one of the big 5, but it was Nick Foles, so it's the underdog big 5. Which I like it. There's Dub, Bobo's son hanging out tonight. Glad you guys are having fun. That's what it's all about, really. That's, you know. I mean, some may argue, but yes. So, but we're here late night. Matty G, what's up, Dancing Monkey? Luigi's, Stroker Ace Kid swinging back in. See, now you guys are talking me into NT. Ooh, we might just have to do it. So, guys, here's that K17 box 3 as... You guys got some on-demand box breaking tonight. Yeah, no, people will be like, man, I thought they were just breaking like one case of 5-star. No. Things got really weird. Yeah. It escalated quickly. Alright, good luck to you guys. I hope we hit another one of the Andy Luck redemption cards. That would just top off... I'll tell you what. If we hit an Andrew Luck redemption card, because Andis has just been an absolute fire, I'll give somebody a free box. I got a free box of Chrome up there, right? Might as well. Can Andis do it? He's just been on a tear. Here's Vinny Testaverde, 10 out of 85. Oh, no. We busted way more. I just had to start over. When I start reordering Exquisite, I just had to start over. We've probably done maybe 75 cases of Exquisite, at least. Minimum. Next, you got Manti Te'o, 9 out of 175. It's a little Manti going to San Diego. Stroker, Ace Kid. There you go, bud. You have got to be kidding me. You seriously. Hold on. It's madness. What? It's just madness. That's all I can say. Are you kidding me? Another nasty Nick Foles. And I'll tell you what, it couldn't be in better condition. I thought the last one was in great condition. This is the second time we've done this out of the same case. We've pulled 2 Nick Foles back to back. It don't get no better than that. You got to be kidding me. Dude, look at this patch. Big Raj goes, I'm out of fingernails. Scratching your eyes out, aren't you, Big Rod? Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Who am I looking for next? How about a nice little Herschel Walker then? Dude, Exquisite's on point. Hey, you weren't kidding about the vet auto. 8 out of 60. Hirsch. Come on. So Dancing Monkey hit the Nick Foles there, but 8 out of 60. Awesome little Hirsch. You gots to, brother. Jeez, dude. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to show this. This is Casey Hayward. Where'd you go, Casey Hayward? 13 out of 99. So that was, we just sat that down there, but Casey Hayward. All right, next. You got Anthony Carter, which is 40 out of 60. One of the shadow boxes for Michigan. So Anthony Carter, 40 out of 60. And last but not least, Exquisite just gets me every time. I love it so much. Here's Joseph Washington, 47 out of 65. Old school. This was all vets in here, huh? But the nasty Nick just running around. You gotta be kidding me. So Joey Washington, that's all she wrote for that box. But dude, this is some kind of weird, sick joke with this Nick Foles. So gonna get a free grades of Dancing Monkey. And dude, oh my gosh. Foles is gonna be an absolute animal this year. Oh, what do we do?